Hi, I'm Sage and you're watching 𝐾𝐞 TV live from Sydney, and this is the Stocks in Action show. In today's Stocks in Action show, we'll take a look at the latest updates from the technology firm family-owned cyber safety, Australian energy company Cenex, and minerals exploration company Helix. We'll also cover XRF Scientific, ASX-listed capital goods company, and wellness and health company 𝐊𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐽𝐼. Lastly, we'll take a quick glance at developments across the ASX 200, so please stay tuned. Firstly, the shares of the technology firm family-owned cyber safety were down on Thursday after the company provided a significant update on the Smoothwall acquisition. And Family-Zone agreed to pay £75.5 million, which is about 142 million Australian dollars cash consideration for the acquisition of the Smoothwall business. As per the deal, the company was to pay £65 million on completion and the balance of £10.5 million payable on 1st September 2021. The company shared today that it has completed the acquisition of Smoothwall on 17th August 2021 and confirms the £10.5 million deferred consideration has now also been paid following completion of the retail entitlement issue. Family-Zone is a firm dedicated to supporting and protecting digital journey of kids, and it is a fast-growing global cyber safety industry serving more than 18,000 schools and 9 million students across the US, UK, Australia and New Zealand. And moving on to the next big news that covers Cenex Energy, an Australian energy company. Cenex Energy shares were trading up on Thursday as the company announced that it has signed a gas sales agreement with the Australian packaging and paper producer Opal, a member of the Nippon Paper Group. Opal is into the manufacturing of sustainable fibre packaging and paper solutions. It has over 4,000 direct employees across over 80 operational sites in Australia and New Zealand. And the agreement is up to 6 years of supply of up to 12 petajoules of natural gas, an essential manufacturing input for Opal. The initial term is 4 years, starting 1st January 2023. And in addition, Cenex Energy provides around 8 petajoules of natural gas to support Opal's paper and recycling division's manufacturing operations at Botany in New South Wales. Supply is to be at a fixed price in line with the current market levels, and Opal and Cenex Energy have also agreed to extend up to 2 years and 4 petajoules of additional sales. And the next big news, as promised, covers Helix, a minerals exploration company. Shares of Helix were trading up on Thursday, post the company announcing that it entered into a binding agreement on the 2nd of September 2021 with Alpha HPA to acquire its tenement called EL8703 from Alpha HPA's 100% owned subsidiary Solindo. And Helix considers the tenement prospective for collarina-type copper-based metal deposits as well as nickel-cobalt mineralisation. This will further strengthen Helix's position in the Cobar region of New South Wales via the acquisition of prospective copper tenure, removal of pre-existing joint venture restraints and acquisition of a new nickel-cobalt mineral resource. The company shared it expects transferring the nickel-cobalt assets and rights into a 100% owned subsidiary to provide flexible on-future funding options such as attracting external investment. And now it's time for a short break, but please stay tuned. I'll be back with more of the trending updates for the Australian market. Hi, I'm Sage, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on 𝐾𝐞 TV. Watch the Crypto Buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at 𝐾𝐞 TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to Dogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, Sage, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching 𝐾𝐞 TV. Welcome back, Sage here, your host live from the 𝐾𝐞 studio, and you're watching the Stocks in Action show. And the next news covers XRF Scientific, ASX-listed capital goods company. The shares of XRF Scientific were trading flat on Thursday as the company announced that it will be acquiring 50% of the shares in Orbis Mining from Brad Hunting and Darren Hunting. XRF has further acquired a call option to purchase the remaining 50% of the shares currently held by the founders, and this is a low-risk bolt-on acquisition with highly complementary products, as the majority of XRF's existing customers require jaw crushers. The company stated that Orbis's revenue and profits have the potential to sales multiply in short to medium term. As Orbis's products are used in the gold assaying processes, XRF Scientific expects to earn further diversified revenue into the gold mining sector, and the price of the acquisition is of 600,000 Australian dollars in cash and 200,000 Australian dollars in XRF shares. The cash consideration will be funded from XRF's cash reserves. Company shares will be issued at the 10-day volume-weighted average price before settlement and will be issued using XRF Scientific's available placement capacity. It has predicted to make about 500,000 Australian dollars working capital loan into Orbis, and the sale is expected to settle by 30th September 2021. And the last news to be discussed in this session covers Wellnex Life, and shares of wellness and health company Wellnex Life are trading up on Thursday after the company announced that it has received confirmation from the national supermarket retailer Coles for the ranging of its new innovative and 100% Wellnex-owned brands, 𝐊𝐴𝐾𝐿 and the Iron Company. This ranging suggests that Wellnex has a potential to get new and innovative products to market, and the company stated that its first manufacturing batch of the new products is complete and the first delivery of the new product is expected in October 2021. Both brands have already achieved distribution in the Australian pharmacy channels with major national pharmacy groups and national wholesalers, including Chemist Warehouse. However, it is yet to receive approval from TerryWhite, Chemmart, Australian Pharmaceuticals Industries and Symbion with additional ranging. Before wrapping up, let us quickly glimpse through the developments across the equity and commodity markets. And let us first start with the ASX 200 performance. The S&P ASX 200 is lower today, dropping 0.99% and crossing below its 20-day moving average. United Malt Group is down 7.73%, while BHP Group was down 7.08%. All 11 sectors are lower today, along with the S&P ASX 200 index, and materials is the worst performing sector in the morning. And thanks for joining us on that report. That is all for now. Stay tuned with 𝐾𝐿 TV for more live market updates, and we'll be back with more news on the markets, the economies and diverse themes and sectors. Sage signing off.